brought my wife Chris along. She's going to talk about getting started. So why don't you get started?
Okay. I swim laps at my local Y with a group of people. And often it falls to me to help the new people understand how it is that we manage to swim with 10 to 14 people at a time. And what I've noticed over the years is that when new people come, often it's just such a great thing to be back in the water again and to start swimming. And they just get caught up in the moment and they keep on going and they manage to make it all the way through the whole hour. But what was easy for us might have a cost for them the next day. And then they're exhausted. So that made me come up with 2 rules. The first one is pay attention to your body. Take care of your body, because starting out on a big immersion of working really hard in a sport or an exercise is demanding. So pay attention and realize that you can start easier and grow. Which led me exactly to the second rule, and that is come back. Because if you come back, if you stay with it, you will get stronger.
Okay, so let's get this straight. Pay attention to your body.
Yes.
Come back.
Yes.
And you'll get better.
Absolutely.
Great. And what a good idea. I bet that would work for you. If you want to start swimming, those 2 rules are perfect. If you want to start something else, I bet they would help as well. So, come back. Thanks, Chris.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Did you know I add a new video to the Growing Library every Tuesday and Thursday at 10? This is Ed. Thanks for coming. I hope you'll come back. These videos will help you find joy, make friends, and keep active.